This function allows the user to resize or stretch the texture horizontally and vertically. The user can prove the same texture get numerous variations and effects with different residues in a non-destructive process. When I change it to low values, it will increase the size of the texture. And when I change it to high values, the texture size will decrease. In this case, this decrease in the size of the texture will result in a tiling effect of the texture. This means that the texture of the alpha will repeat horizontally and vertically. I can also adjust the values individually in relation to the width and the height. This allows to stretch the texture and give the chance to have another kind of look for the texture. This kind of function is great. Artists can vary the same texture during the detailing or sculpting process without having to open an external program to make alterations. And anytime, if I want, I could return to the original texture without any problems. Everything is done in real time.